Hey, it's Mr. J, and today we're gonna learn how to gallop. Galloping's a fun way to get around, and all you have to do is take one step forward and then bring your back foot together. I've got a new move for you all to see. We're gonna learn to gallop, you and me. One foot in the front, that's where we begin. Let's practice galloping, it's a win. Step together, we're having so much fun. Step together, like horses on the run. Step together, hop off your back foot. Step together, no need to stay put. Now lift your other foot, here we go, don't hide. Step together, step by step, stride by stride. Galloping's a dance, a horsey kind of glide. With each little step, we enjoy this ride. Step together, we're having so much fun. Step together, like horses on the run. Step together, hop off your back foot. Step together, no need to stay put. Hooves on the ground like horses so grand. Step together, our rule you'll understand. Through the fields of meadow, what can be better? Come on, let's keep it up. Step together, we're having so much fun. Step together, like horses on the run. Step together, hop off your back foot. Step together, no need to stay put. Awesome job, friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.